Oh my gosh, you are not going to believe how cute these turned out. You guys, okay, so let me push y'all back a little bit. I'm gonna do my best to not cut the video off tonight like I did the last time. So really quickly, you already know we're gonna be using the smiley faces. This is a bead mix I got from Hobby Lobby. Sadly, it wasn't on sale. It was $11.99. But you have, how many beads? It didn't really say how many you have, but it's a lot. I mean, it's a huge bag of beads because Miriam, oh my gosh, look at these beautiful bracelets she just made. They're gorgeous. So she's going to be putting those in her room and see what she will. It's a surprise. We'll see what she does with those. But her bracelets were gorgeous. Today, I am going to be using the Gorilla Glue. And look, I used a hair color. I don't know if you call this a lock. I don't know what it's called. But anytime when I used to do hair, if you wanted to get all the color out the tube, you would use one of these thingamajigs and you'd slide it into the tube when it was open and roll it down to make sure you got everything out. So I use that on my Gorilla Glue so I don't have to fight to get it out. So we have our Gorilla Glue, which doesn't smell as strong as the E6000. Even though my favorite is Eileen's, she's going to take too long for these to dry. And I feel like these are a little heavy and I want them to sit directly on our beauty supply store earrings. So my Caleb, he said to use these. So we're going to use the hearts. They are so cute. And they're all really lightweight, but probably when I start gluing all this stuff on here, it's going to make them a little bit heavier. And then what I would encourage you to is when you're at the store, make sure all of your levers on the earrings work. Because one of them I had to fight with. But I mean, they're $1.49, so who, you know, we can't get too bent out of shape about it, but they're going to be cute. So now you could glue on both sides, but remember, I'm not because I have long ear holes and I don't want these pulling in case I decide to wear them. So cute. So we're going to put them this way. Is that right? Yes. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue. I'm going to pour some out. Let me go on and push the camera down. Trying to see if I want to lower y'all some. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to put a little bit of the, well, that's really almost already dried up. So let's stick this over here on the end of, we are not going to fight with glue today. Okay, so let's go ahead and squeeze some out. I don't even know if this glue is any good. Hopefully it is, okay? We'll see. And then we're going to pour some of our bead mix out. These kind of have a consistency of little erasers. They are so cute and super lightweight. So I'm going to start with, of course, the yellow happy faces because they make me the happiest. So, and look, if you want to use them on bracelets and stuff, they have holes. So oh no, look at him. He's all messed up. Look. Not that one. I'm sorry. Look, that side looks terrible. I'm like, what happened to him? We cannot use him. I meant this side. Look how weird he looks. Yeah, we're not going to be able to use him. So that's fine. So be sure to check your smiley faces. I was just about to learn that the hard way. Okay, and I'm going to set it up after we get a few glued down. Oh my gosh, there's the cutest stuff in here. You got some checkerboard print. You got some, you have some rainbows. You have a bunch of little mushrooms, which are the cutest. So these remind me of, what's that style called? I gotta think of it. Is it kawaii? That's what it kind of reminds me of. Okay, wait, so we're gluing this way. So we're gonna want them to match. Okay. Okay. This really helps, so then you can get all your glue out. And And I don't have to fight with it because my hands are a little weaker since I did hair for so many years. So I definitely don't want to be fighting with the glue. So I think I'm going to do a blue one over there. And I don't know why all of a sudden it's almost like I have an urgency to make earrings. Oh my gosh, probably because I have a bunch of supplies that I'm inspired by. So are you like that? Like when you're inspired, you have a bunch of great materials, you like want to make stuff. So I love these, are so cute. These are like whimsical. I really like them. So now let's see. Look how cute these are. Rainbows, super cute. And they're almost like cut up erasers. That's what they seem like. So let's see. Ooh, do we want to do a red mushroom? Or do we want to use, oh my gosh, look how cute. Little smiley face with the rainbow colors. Let's see, do we want to put, let's see. Oh my gosh, tough. I know I want to do some pearls, I think. So let's glue down a couple of pearls right quick. Okay, let's go down one more on each, and then we'll see what else we want to add. Okay. Miriam has one of those little gripper things. I need to go get it. That you can glue like flat back rhinestones down with. I think it's like a little wax pen. I just don't feel like walking down the hall to get it. So let's do this. They are so cute. So let's see what we want to add to it. See what color mushrooms we might want to use. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my gosh, there's so much to choose from. Let's see. You really could cut these like sideways, but I would not want to run the risk of cutting my finger, so I'm not going to do that, but you almost could. Like if you wanted it to be flat, you could probably use a Credo blade to slice that in half and then it could lay flat. So for now, let's go ahead and glue down the mushrooms and then see if we want to add, and then you could paint on these too. Like paint on the earrings themselves. I'm not sure I will. But you could. Miriam just bought some fabric paint. And she had some brown boots I gave her. They were like a tan color. And she painted them black. You cannot even tell. They look amazing. They are so cute. So I'm going to put these at the top so we can add another set of pearl beads. Let me make sure I don't have a deformed smiley face showing. This glue dries fast. I feel like this mushroom is smaller than this one, so I'm probably going to take this one off and swap it out. Does it look good, Mira? Does it look good? So cute. Okay, so now let's add some more pearls. These are just so cute. Okay. And shout out to all of you all that have commented on the earrings. I love y'all's feedback and your design ideas. I know that if you make some, yours are gonna be totally cute. So I may go to the beauty supply store and see. I still have 2 more pair. I'm not going anytime soon. I still have 2 pair to work with. So I'm going to make something with those before I go buying any more. Especially since I'm not selling, I'm just creating for my videos. I don't want to be wasteful. But if I was selling, I would definitely buy them in bulk and create them in bulk. This is a perfect summertime money hustle. If you all have time in your schedules, for those of you, or if you work from home, this would be a great money maker for you for the summer. Blech. Ew. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know I should wear gloves. I'm like that person that used to not work with paint or like working with paint because I did not like getting stuff on my hands like that. It's just so gross. Okay. So let's see. Okay. I don't have on my paint jeans, or I would wipe the glue on there. All right. I probably should have taken some of that out before doing that. Alrighty, so let's take another look and see what we have. Look how cute. And if you don't have long ear holes, they would be super cute on both sides, but I'm not gonna do them on both sides. And oh my gosh, they are just the cutest. So I'm trying to decide if I want to add anything else, because for me, these will already be pretty heavy. And I don't want to crowd them out. So let's see. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I think we're good. I wanted to keep adding more and more and more, but I think they turned out so super cute. Let me see if they're dry enough to try on. So I think they're dry enough for me to try on. And let me, there you go. I think they're adorable. I did add, just FYI, so I did glue pearls in between, and I put the 2 pearls at the top just to finish it off. And let's try them on. I think they're still a little wet, but that's okay. I'll let them dry in a second. And guess what? It's not concrete. If one falls off, you just glue it back on. Okay. Oh gosh, so I think they turned out so super cute. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna let them dry, go eat me some Sunday dinner, and I will see you guys on the next video. Oh, hold on, if I can get them off. Be right back. I think they turned out so super cute. Can't wait to see you on the next video and see what you created.